Ever wondered how those automated SMS messages reach your phone? And how to build that functionality yourself? Today, we're diving into using Twilio to receive SMS messages, turning your applications into two-way communication powerhouses. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Head over to Twilio's website and sign up for a free trial or log in if you already have an account. Once you're in, navigate to the console dashboard. This is where you'll manage all things Twilio. You'll need a Twilio phone number to receive SMS messages, so click on Get a Twilio phone number. Choose a number that fits your needs, considering area code and capabilities. Now, the magic happens. Look for the messaging section of your number's configuration here. You'll find the A Message Comes In field. This is where you'll enter your Webhook URL, your application's endpoint that will receive the incoming SMS data. This URL will point to a script you've created that can process the incoming SMS data, like the sender's number and the message body. Twilio will send an HTTP post request to this URL whenever your Twilio number receives an SMS message. Your script can then parse this data, perform actions based on the message content, and even send a response back to the sender. And that's it. You've successfully configured Twilio to receive SMS messages. Now, go build something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.